Welcome to Work Global News, where we bring you practical insights for career growth, leadership, and workplace success. Today's spotlight is on a topic that makes many professionals nervous, but could make a major difference in your paycheck: how to ask for a raise and actually get it. Let's be real, talking about money can be uncomfortable, but not speaking up could mean leaving thousands of dollars behind each year. That's why this article breaks down a smart, strategic approach to asking for a raise that doesn't feel awkward or aggressive. It starts with knowing your market value, using tools like Glassdoor and Salary.com to benchmark your role, industry, and experience. From there, you need to track your impact, your career receipts. That means documenting your wins, big projects, client praise, and anything that shows how you've added value. Timing matters too. The best moments are during performance reviews or after big wins, not when the company's in a slump. Most importantly, practice your pitch. Be confident, be clear, and treat it like a business conversation, not a favor. If a raise isn't possible right away, ask about timelines and alternatives like extra PTO or professional development. You're not just asking for more money, you're owning your worth. That's it for today's Spotlight. Stay informed, stay empowered, and keep showing up for your career.